Uptown Gaza, we a lead now. Be a hot song, money we a pre-yo. Don't love you away when the G's out. Just smoke alone like a girl want give me.
Viewer subscriber, dancehall in great hands. Me nah lie. Me gonna say it again. Me say dancehall in a great hands. Uptown Gaza, them out here, them a do the right thing. Watch I go on, man. Likkle Addi jump out and make them know say yo, Uptown Gaza are we a lead now. Without a doubt, with no apology. The man said that. I mean I say it too. I him a lead out. Me nah lie. The man say yo, I be a hard song and money we are pre right now. Yo, in general, are the right thing you do. And the song them way you job, them bad. Like that one you see them way. Hot. The man said, don't laugh when you see the G's out. I would them. The man said, yo, you see me go and spray on the cologne. Hey boy, you see a girl, she get take away. Hey boy, you see a girl, she want give me a you don't even know that. Bad song, bad song. You a subscriber. The song name Style. Make we jump in it.
Nah, brook white pre, yeah, me reach out. Likkle vibes and Likkle Addi, them a speak bout. Drop a pic on the gram. Be a girl, I'm mad talk more, yeah, the whole of Boston.
You see them youth, yeah? Me love how them full of confidence in themselves. The way how them sing, make me know, say, yo, them believe in what them a do. Them know what them a do. Him full of confidence within him lyrics, them. You know what I mean? But guess what I go on again, too? Remember, you know, a Vibes Cartel, I'm father. So without a doubt, him have to have the style as well as the song title. Style. The man say, yo, nah, Brooke. Why pre? You me reach home. You know what I mean? The man say, Likkle Vibe and Likkle Addi. They must speak about. I don't lie. Youth, who know the hot topic right now. I mean, not care when no man want to say. Likkle Vibe, Likkle Addi. Who know the hot topic. A Gaza, me say, Uptown UTG forever. Nothing can change that. The Irons Bar said that. So who not like it? No, if you do already. You know what I mean? So right there and then, you know, the man goes and say, yo, him goes and have a pic on the gram. A big girl are mad. Yeah. I saw you sitting go. The man say, yo, here I go on to. Just big up the whole of Portmore, you know, and the whole of Boston. Take in some more, right?
Music choose me, me never choose it. In my DNA, from a tender age, me prove it. Dance all, yeah, me come myself for rule things. Who him? Likkle Addi at the new kid.
You a subscriber, me nah lie. Likkle Addi, make them know say yo, a music choose me, you know. Yeah, me never choose it. The man say yo, it in a me DNA. Member say a Vibes Cartel and my father. I that the man I make you know right there so smartly. The man say yo, from a tender age me prove it. From them time there, when them job the song about. When the radio turn on, you know what I mean? Hello, you know what I mean? From them song there, the man them know say yo, it's gonna be the thing. You know what I mean? The man say yo, dancehall, me I come myself to rule it. So watch ya, the man a power with the kingship already. But right there and then again, the man say yo, I owe him. The man ask I owe me, a Likkle Addi, and me a the new king. I that the man I make you know. If you a subscriber, I not like. But like how him a explain everything what him all about right now. And I make you know, say, watch it, my friend. And me, I come take over that thing here. And me, I go be the new king around here, so. All you know, I go on. And remember, you know, the man did have the song already. You must say, yo, daddy, a full time now, you know. If you take off the crown and give it, you know. You know what I mean? Nah, lie. Full of confidence. If you a subscriber, leave a comment in the comment section, man. Gaza Nation, UTG Nation, I want me to talk to. Do the right thing.
Money apply for shine like my jewelry. UTG been a win, not the losing. I spend the price, that's star you're shooting. Go for more money, never second with a few minutes.
On guys that you them rich and happy. Me have to say that. Guess what go on? The you would say, yo, money up, life a shine like my jewelry. You know, see the man chain. I saw the man's future look bright. It a glisten. I that the man I make a do. The man say, yo, Uptown been a win. When I'm losing, my friend. We are shoot to the star. That the man I make you know. Be a winnings. Hold on. Somebody just come and say, Irons Boss. That song here, when me hear a review over here, it's a trend. And me I say, but without a doubt, we have a trend. Because it's a bad song. You know what I mean? Yeah. So what you go on now? I spend the prize. The star ya shooting. Go for more money. Me never settle with a few mil. So guess what go on? Even though the boss have couple mil pack up one place. The man I make you know say, yo, we still a show out. We still a put in the work. Because guess what go on? We need more than few mil. We have to go billion and go up and counting. And that the man I make you know. If you are a subscriber. Oh God, man.
Make everybody want be with us. Money there enough, girl, put it to the style. And we not give up. Life too short, so we live it up style.
Man, Uptown UTG. You know where sitting go? Gaza Nation, Gaza Station. You know, the youth them never disappoint. Wait, you know, cause guess what go on? The real boss kid them, so what you know? Them know what go on, them know the route, you know. As well them say one at a time, them have all the equipment them to get all the music work done. Them now have to search and beg. Them have the style, them have everything afoot. You know what I mean? So what you know? We all get some good quality music like that one year name style. You know what I mean? So if you are a subscriber, if you haven't heard the full song as yet, please, well, here we go on. I'm going to leave the link to the song down below in the description. So check it out and here we go on. Drop in a comment over there. Likewise, leave in a comment on the video. Make me know what you think about the song. Make me know how much you grade the song out of 10. You know what I mean? Make me know what you think about you in future within dancehall. If you don't feel like say, yo, them can run the place. But as a me say, them are run the place already. You know what I mean? So me not wait for tomorrow if you say that. I can say that today. Them are run the place already. You know what I mean? You know, so what you go on? Addi Irons Boss, fresh and cool. Come on, go in a cesspool. Subscribe, like, comment as always. Hit that post notification bell. Addi Irons Boss. I'm out.
Gaza, we a lead now. Be a hot song, money we a pre-yo. Don't love you, we want to tease out. Just smoke alone like your girl want give me.